Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Brain Boosters. Today we will learn about the characteristics of a teaching license. The first characteristic is official professional credential. It means a teaching license is officially issued by the relevant education authority. The second characteristic is subject competency. A licensed teacher must have strong subject knowledge and the ability to teach effectively. The third characteristic is professional ethics. Every teacher should demonstrate honesty, responsibility, fairness, and respect while performing professional duties. The fourth characteristic is legal recognition. A teaching license provides legal authority to teach according to the rules and regulations of the education system. Remember, a teaching license represents professional competence and public trust. Let's explore each characteristic in detail in the next slides.
Now, let's discuss the first characteristic of a teaching license, which is official professional credential. A teaching license is officially issued by the competent education authority. It confirms that a teacher has successfully met the required professional standards. This credential provides official recognition and authorizes a qualified person to teach in educational institutions. Remember, a teaching license is not just a certificate, it is an official professional credential that demonstrates a teacher's qualification and credibility.
Now, let's move to the second characteristic of a teaching license, which is subject competency. Subject competency means that a teacher must have strong knowledge of the subject he or she teaches. A qualified teacher should understand the concepts clearly and accurately. It also includes effective teaching skills. A teacher should be able to explain ideas in a simple, organized, and engaging way so that students can learn successfully. Finally, classroom readiness means that a teacher is fully prepared to manage the classroom, deliver lessons confidently, and create a positive learning environment. Remember, subject competency is the foundation of quality teaching because knowledgeable and well-prepared teachers help students achieve better learning outcomes.
Now, let's discuss the third characteristic of a teaching license, which is professional ethics. Professional ethics begin with honesty. A teacher should always be truthful and maintain integrity in every professional responsibility. The second point is responsibility. Teachers must complete their duties sincerely, prepare lessons carefully, and support their students effectively. The third point is respect. Every teacher should treat students, parents, and colleagues with dignity, fairness, and respect. The fourth point is fairness. A professional teacher should provide equal opportunities to all learners without discrimination or bias. Finally, commitment to students means putting students' learning and well-being first while maintaining high professional standards. Remember, professional ethics build trust, strengthen relationships, and create a positive learning environment.
Now, let's discuss the fourth characteristic of a teaching license, which is legal recognition. The first point is government-approved qualification. A teaching license is officially recognized by the relevant education authority, confirming that a teacher has met the required professional standards. The second point is legal authority to teach. This license gives a qualified teacher the official permission to teach in approved educational institutions. The third point is compliance with educational policies. A licensed teacher is expected to follow the rules, regulations, and professional standards established by the education system. Remember, legal recognition not only protects the rights of teachers, but also ensures that students receive education from qualified and authorized professionals.
Now, let's understand why these characteristics of a teaching license are so important. The first benefit is better teaching quality. When teachers are qualified, competent, and professionally trained, they can deliver more effective lessons and improve student learning. The second benefit is student confidence. Students feel more comfortable and motivated when they learn from a knowledgeable, skilled, and trustworthy teacher. The third benefit is professional credibility. A teaching license enhances a teacher's professional reputation and demonstrates that they meet recognized educational standards. The fourth benefit is career growth. licensed teachers have greater opportunities for professional development, promotions, and career advancement. Finally, public trust is strengthened because parents and society have confidence that licensed teachers are qualified to provide quality education. Remember, strong teachers build strong nations by shaping knowledgeable, skilled, and responsible future generations.
Now, let's review the key takeaways from today's lesson. The first key point is official professional credential. A teaching license is an official document issued by the relevant education authority, confirming that a teacher meets the required professional standards. The second key point is subject competency. Every licensed teacher should possess strong subject knowledge and effective teaching skills. The third key point is professional ethics. A professional teacher demonstrates honesty, responsibility, fairness, respect, and commitment in every aspect of teaching. The fourth key point is legal recognition. A teaching license provides the legal authority to teach and ensures compliance with educational policies. Remember, these four characteristics define a qualified and professional teacher. Understanding them is essential for every teaching license candidate.
Today, we reviewed the 4 essential characteristics of a teaching license. The first characteristic is official professional credential, which confirms that a teacher is officially recognized by the relevant education authority. The second characteristic is subject competency, which refers to strong subject knowledge and effective teaching skills. The third characteristic is professional ethics, including honesty, responsibility, fairness, respect, and commitment to students. The fourth characteristic is legal recognition, which gives teachers the legal authority to teach according to educational policies. These 4 characteristics together define a qualified and professional teacher. In the next lesson, we will study the eligibility criteria for a teaching license.